Welcome back. We're now diving into one of the simplest yet foundational models in information retrieval, Boolean Retrieval Model. We are going to see how it works, its strengths and limitations, and the implementation in searching text data. Let's get started. What is the Boolean Retrieval Model? Is a classic information retrieval model that uses Boolean logic. Right, so and or not, and it matches documents with queries. Each document in the collection is represented as a set of terms, and the query is a Boolean expression over these terms. If we look at the Boolean operators individually, so we have AND, which retrieves documents that contain all of the specified terms. We have OR, retrieves documents that contain at least one of the specified terms, and we have NOT, which excludes documents that contain the specified term. The way that it works, so the search process involves creating a simple inverted index and then using Boolean logic to filter the results based on the query. Here's a simple step-by-step. Tokenization. So let me actually go back. So tokenization, the text is broken down into individual terms or tokens. Normalization, tokens are standardized, converting lowercase, removing punctuation, etc. We have the inverted index creation. So inverted index is created, which maps terms to the documents in which they appear. Then we have query processing. So the Boolean query is parsed and the appropriate Boolean operations are applied to retrieve the matching results. If we consider our example of sailing in Croatia, let's have a look at these 5. So sailing in Croatia offers stunning views of the Adriatic Sea all the way to the city of Zagreb, is the capital of Croatia and offers a mix of modern and historic attractions. Query examples could be here. So query sailing and Croatia, and we would see it in documents 1, 2, 3. We would have the OR query and Dubrovnik or Split. So in this case, we would see it in document 2, Dubrovnik and Split, but the other ones do not have this specificity. And then the last one would be OR query Croatia not sailing, and then this would just fetch the documents that have Croatia but don't have sailing. When it comes to its pros and cons, the first one is the simplicity. It's easy to understand and implement. Precision, so it's very precise, right? So it allows this precise control over which documents are included or excluded. Limitations, no ranking whatsoever, so it doesn't rank documents by relevance. It's a binary matching, so documents are either included or excluded, and there's really no middle ground. Then complex queries, so Boolean logic can be limiting and cumbersome for complex queries. To sum it up, the Boolean Retrieval Model is a straightforward and powerful tool for information retrieval, especially in scenarios where precision is key. We need to have an understanding of its strengths and limitations to see whether we should apply it or not. This is it, and I'll see you in the next video.